This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good evening, everyone. So please check from your side, am I audible? So use the chat box and you type as yes if I'm audible. Any one of you. Thank you. So yesterday we had discussed about some of the important concepts belongs to website, how to build a website. So the requirement for website also we discussed. One of the main thing is DNS, domain naming system. So like www.google.com, this is an example. Then DNS stands for domain naming system. If you want to check your name or if you want to verify your domain name, I told you to visit GoDaddy and Hostinger, these two websites, and also you can verify the hosting also. Okay, verify domain name and hosting space. Where exactly of your web pages are get stored, and also which will serve across the country. Okay. And we have different types of hostings also. One is shared web hosting, then cloud web hosting, okay, and VPS hosting. So such kind of things. So today I'll try to take about Google site. So how we can create. But before I create a website, a simple website, by make use of Google site, I want to have some resources. Okay, you have to plan for complete resources. Like you must have logo first. Okay, then you must have a banner image, and why banner image, that also I will tell you why it is so important. Okay, I'll take you to one example here. So you can visit this website, kaustubacompuLabU.in. This is a one website. So they have registered under the main domain. Here they have a logo. Okay, so just right click on this logo, and that comes to in the right hand side. And next thing is this is the banner image, so that you can see it is moving. Okay, so it's a sliding now. So right click, So just I'm taking you to how you can download this image. Open image in a new tab and go to the next image, right click, open new tab, previous image, next to open, again right click, next to open. This is comes under banners. Okay, one is logo, one is banner images. Okay, what exactly you are providing? So this website is providing some services like laptop and computer repair services, then laptop, which kind of brands they have, then what exactly the laptop repair, and what they are conducting diagnosis, free diagnosis, certified technicians, and they have a phone number, websites. So they are putting in the digital office what's the services, what kind of services are they providing. So what I will do as of now, just I'll be right clicking and saving this. Okay, because you real time, in the real time you have to create a logo, you have to create everything. But right now I am not taking you to create a logo and the graphics designing part. So that I will tell you in the content marketing. So right now you try to make use of these resources. What you do, just right click and save this image, and go to the desktop area as web source, and this is the logo, let it be the same name. So click save. That you can see in the right hand side if that downloaded or not. Once gets downloaded, just you close, again right click, save image as. This is banner, save this. Look at this, banner is downloaded. Again close this, right click again, save image as slider. The extension of this image is .jpeg. So save and make ensure are you saving in the same directory. I targeted that web source, the folder name under the desktop area. So it's saving. Again right click, save image as, this it again, right click, save image as, save. Now the two part is over. Most important thing is uh, sliders and as well as logo. Now if I scroll down, look at this. This is another section. Okay, there's a main section, then this comes to that subsection here. Okay, which is called as divisions. So this is your main heading, the heading one in the whenever you try to put inside the website. So the headings play a beautiful role even for SEO also, especially for on-page SEO. You have to use some targeted keywords. Based on the targeted keywords, you have to give a name. Okay, right now I'm not taking such kind of things. What I will do, try to download the resources. So what again I will do, right click and open this image. So this is named this as another folder. It's called as section 1, home page section 1, hp underscore section 1. So save it, close, again right click, save, again right click, save. Put this text. So how do you save it? So for time being, take a notepad, use notepad, paste it. So this is for container 1, and this is for the container 2. Okay, one is desktop services, laptop services, and third one I'm going to take CPU services. Okay, and again I have desktop services. So make ensure what exactly I'm taking here, that I will show you later part. Okay, why I'm going to copy into the notepad is, directly if you do copy paste in the real time web page, the same linked resources also will get active. So I have to avoid, because I in real time don't try to copy from any other websites. Just I'm giving you to save the time and make you to engage in this digital classroom. So just I'm taking this, because in the real time you have to prepare an entire thing, then finally you have to get into the deployment. Okay, but as of now still you don't know how to do that. Okay, because of that reason I'm telling you to work on any existing website, then do copy, collect all the resources, then start implementing the website. It is only for learning purpose. Okay, when it comes to your real time business, then try to create your own logo, images, then definitions, headings, depends upon the businesses. So now you have seen that I will take you to the website that you can see here. This is the first block, repair services, and you have seen one more like a desktop AMC services, laptop AMC services. Okay, so again right click on this image source, right click and open with a separate new tab. Again create one more new section, HP section 2, home page section 2, save it. Again right click this, again right click and save this. Again you have third, in the third block, some image part, right click, right click, right click. This is 3, section 3. Close it. Again in the fourth section, home page section 4. So then in the bottom you have containers. So here you again you have some containers. Okay, so again follow the same guidelines. If you scroll down, this is the bottom here that you can see. This is completely called as footer information. Okay, that I will show you how you can do this. Uh, Directly, I'm going to talk about Google site. If you want to open directly that site, the URL uniform resource locator, the link for this is link Google sites.google.com. So if you have computer resources, you can directly you can check sites.google.com. So press enter key. So directly it opens. Okay, so what you do is take a new one so that you can see here itself. Okay, this is a new site here. So right now I don't want this. What I will do, I'll try to delete this header. Okay, in the first page I'm going to take some name. Okay, just like Modi computer. Okay, then what I will do, I'll try to add a logo. So go to this add logo portions, upload, and whatever we like web sources, what is the logo? Here is the logo. Just you click open and logo is placed, then close this so that you can see in the left hand side and as well as the text and logo placed. Okay, next what I have, header portions. Okay, if you don't like header like this, okay, you can delete this, but according to our practical examples, I wanted to have a image like this. Okay, like image has to move, like that has to slide from left to right. I means animations has to take automatically. So in that case, there will be a insert button, pages, themes. Okay, so right now I'm going to take insert. In that insert, so scroll down, there is an option called as image carousel. Okay, that you can use it. Place the images, means upload, whatever banner image and sliders you like. Okay, make ensure is that included that logo or not. So try to remove that logo if that added. Okay, right now I have okay, I'll try to delete. Once again I'll try to upload images. Right now in this I don't want logo, so I deselected the logo, and you click on this, open. Now our images gets applied and click insert. Then what you do, just click and drag and make ensure it has to properly uh, take that scaling portions. Okay, that adjustment has to be done properly. If everything is applied, okay. If that not applied, so see to that how you can apply. Okay, so more than 2-3 times if you practice, automatically you can see the real time effect. Okay, now sir, how do I give an animation? So what you do is go to the setting portions, then there is again one more setting here, then I have a auto start. So click on auto start. Do you like for fast moving, that transition speed, or low speed, very low speed? So whichever you like that you select, so let it be the medium option and you click update. Okay, once it is done, then what you do is, so just you go to the preview mode. Okay, so this is the preview. So it's affecting like this. So the first portion is over. The same way I'm getting here also. Okay, and one more, I told you responsive websites. Your website must be web responsive. Responsive is nothing but you must be able to view the contents of the web page using different devices like mobile. So this is the mobile view, and this is your tablet view, and this is your large like a desktop view. So you have three kind of things. Google site supports for responsive websites, so for non-coders. So now the basics things is over now. So one is important logo, then title, then image carousel I have added. And here if I talk, when I'm cross scrolling, look at this section I wanted to bring. Okay, see the containers, how many containers I have in this. So three containers. Okay, one is so just seems to be like columns. Okay, so what I will try to do is, before adding this three content platform, so I'll try to take a headings and paragraph text. How do I do that? I'll go for text box and automatically get inserted. Okay, and what I will do, I'll be taking this resource repair services, do copy, and before you paste, what you do is open a notepad. First you paste in that, then do copy again from the notepad text and paste it here. Okay, and you will get that text without any links. So what you do, just you apply. So I don't want normal text, I want to have headings. Okay, so and then apply bold. Okay, then sir, there will be some background color. Okay, if you are liking some color, so click on this and apply the style. Okay, style 1 2 3, whichever you like. And sir, the text has to come in the middle, so select this, place in the middle. So now this content is over. Again take one more here. Okay, they again apply the same thing, but in this case I'll be copying this description part. Okay, do copy. Now what happen if I paste? It's affected because it is not have any interlink for the text. When you don't have interlink, then directly you can paste. So sometimes what happens, if that connected to some other link, some other web pages, if you do directly copy paste, then it affects in the real time website. So that's why you try to copy into notepad, then you paste it. Okay, but in real time you don't want to copy from the real time websites. You take your own description and headings part according to the keywords and business strategy. So what I will do, I'll be apply this to center alignment. So now most of the things is over. Okay, now this time I wanted to place the three contents. Okay, so how do I place the three contents? So here you have content blocks. Okay, so I'm going to take the three content blocks and apply the same color again. Okay, you can see this effect. And what I will do, this is a heading portion section 1. So place and upload the images. Section 1, take whichever you like in the first place. So now it is not exactly fit into the image. Okay, so what I will do, you can crop the image if you like, but if I want to maintain the same original ratio, then what you just uncrop it. Okay, then repeat the same steps here. Go to upload, make this to uncrop, again upload, go to the one and this. So now I have three images. Next important thing is text. Now you can see here this text is connected to on some other page. So if you want to see that, just you click on this, so it's get connected to some other page. Okay, so now what I have to do is I have to copy. Okay, whenever you copy and do paste, see what happens in this case. if you paste the link, automatically it's active. Okay, because of that, because of this reason, I'm telling you to copy into the notepad application, then paste it from this area. Okay, which will not have any internal links, and repeat the same steps. So what I will do, just I'm copying this, and I will show you how I am opening that into notepad application. So this is the one. Okay, then paste it, and again from here do copy and go to the next screen where I was implementing. So paste it. Okay, then repeat the same way. Go to CPU repair, hit that in the notepad application, copy, repeat this, paste it. But you can see here that heading portions, it is in the same font size. So but here what happens, it is in 19 and here it is 16. So something like this, it is happened. Then what you do, then you go to this 14 portions, let it be 16, take 16, press enter key. Again here you take that into 16, here also take that into 16 portions and press enter key. If you like bold, and select bold effect, this is over. And in this we have a text, do copy and paste it, and change the font color. So the font color is to be in the white, so that you can see. And do copy again, paste it, apply into white. So that's your wish, what you can take. Now the question is, sir, again I have a button called read more button. Okay, now if anybody click here, it is connected to the next another page. Okay, so now I wanted to bring this type of button. This button is called as CTA. In digital marketing world, we used to name that as CTA, call to action. So in place of read more, you can put that word call now, or buy now, read more, as per this example. So something like that. So what people has to do that. Okay, so to get that button, so here we have a button option. Click on this. Okay, so to create a button, we need to have another page link. Okay, so as of now I'm going to take a read more. Okay, and link this to some other page, but right now I don't have a pages, so let it be blank. That I will tell you how that you can be deployed later part. Okay, so this is the first part is over. Again repeat the same process now. So what I will do, I'm going to take AMC services in this case. Okay, so what I will do, go to insert, text box, AMC service. So look at this, something is applied, so I have to avoid this. to copy, paste it, bold, then 14, set this to center now. Again, take an insert, apply new style, repeat this, take the text plan, means description, and set this alignment as you like. And then again repeat this block. So I'll go for 3 content block. This is a second portion. Go to the second portion here, repeat, then third one. Now take this to uncrop, then in the same place take desktop services, place it. Then next you have laptop services, okay. Then go to CCTV services, then you take a paragraph text, then repeat, again paste it here. Okay, you need not to bother about that as how to work for buttons. Okay, that I will tell you. Okay. Next, again in the third portions, this one, laptop service centers in Bangalore. So just do copy, so how do you insert, place text box and increase that font size to 18, make this bold, then set this as heading 1, okay, and set as another alignment, center alignment. But here I did not use that as heading portion. So heading 1, then alignment, let it be. Okay, so again uh, take the next text box and use this paragraph text, place it in this and change the font color as you liked, set this alignment to the center. Then most of the things is working now. Then I have to place the text and as well as images. So to place those things, again I'm going to take 3 column content blocks, repeat this. I'm going to third block now. So this has happened. So next another 3 I have. So okay, so by mistakenly it is came to the next block of the content. What you have to do is, so place the cursors in this dotted area, just you click and drag, so then automatically you can move the content of this block. Okay, so now again I'm going to take the same block, making duplicate, but I'll be clicking on this image content block, then replace that another image, the fourth one. and again click here, replace it. Fifth one, and here replace the image. Last. So now my most of that image upload process is over. Now you take this to professional services. Here you place. Next one, master technicians. Next, accessible stock. Then bring your paragraph text. That's all. Even if you don't like the color theme, you can change. And then here also apply the same thing. Next you go for cordial support. Then place that paragraph text. Now my job is done. Okay, so if you not like this color, font color, so select them and place which color you like. Okay. Because the background is dark color. See the visibility. That's all. Now again check this preview now. Look at this. Seems to be like real time. And this is the mobile one. Then this is the tablet one. Then this is the desktop view. Then close it. Again come to the next one. What is this? We have a text and as well as image. Okay. So then how do I do this? This one. So I'm going to take this content block. Okay, now this case, sir, image is in the right hand side, then text is in the left hand side. But what happened? It is vice versa. Just what you do is just move this content blocks towards right hand side. That's all. So one more time I'll repeat. So take the first content block. So first you select this image block, click and drag. Whenever you are clicking and dragging, see to that where exactly it is landing, so it is highlighting. So now if you are planning to place that image holder in the top portions, then that is highlighted. If I want to be in the right hand side, the vertical, it seems to be like vertical bar. Okay, so that is gets highlighted. Then if you are like that portions, then you release the mouse. Okay, until that, do not release it. Suppose, sir, I want to be in the bottom, so place it in the bottom. Say this, left hand side, and in the middle, in the bottom, in the top, in the right hand side. So see to that where exactly you want it to apply. So now this is over. What I will do is I'll be taking this main portions. So I'll be taking the text, paste it, and apply this heading 1, then apply bold, then try to bring this to in the text format, scroll down, paste it. Okay, then now the challenge is I wanted to bring this image now. So this section is what, third home page, section 3, sorry, 4. So select, okay. Now what happened, just click and drag, or else uncrop this, and try to reduce this image portions, try to bring that to vertically, and increase this spacing, width. Then try to reduce the line space of this block. Okay, this alignment, then this is the line space, so single line space, and this is your one dot line space, 1.5, double line space, so it's keep on increasing. I don't want double line space, let it be in that 1.5, so that you can see uniquely. Okay, something like this you can place, and again scroll down in the bottom, so that you can insert. Okay, so now, sir, again I wanted to bring Google map in this page itself. Okay, if you want to bring that Google maps, uh, what I will do is in the home page itself, so scroll down, look at maps, Google maps. Okay, so click here. So what I will do, I will be taking NICT computer education, Jayanagar, SR Nagar, something like that I have. I'm going to take Jayanagar one, and if everything is correct, select the location, exact location, then click insert. Then for communication purpose, you can place this Google map and check now the preview portions. Okay. Okay, now the question is, sir, how do I insert a footer point like this? Okay, so I have 3 columns, like you have one logo, then some text, you have contact like address, phone number, so on, so on, and services. Okay, these actually you have to create once the page get inserted. For example, about us, if I click about us, this is separate page. Okay, and again come back, there is a one more page called as why us or contact us. So click on contact us, it is get activated. Okay, so something like this you have. Again go back, and you create your own pages. Then you have to insert the services. Okay, so before uh, inserting of this services, I have to create this type of button. Okay, so how do I create this type of button? Let's see now. So what I will do is I'll go for pages. Okay, right now this is the home page. Yesterday I told you the first page of the website is called as home page. So by default only your Google site is recognized as a home page or index page. Okay, now you click here, adding pages, and name it as about us. Okay, so click done. So this is a next second page is get activated. Next again insert here, take a third page, contact us, then click done. Next take a next page like courses, click OK. Okay, now I have 4 pages. For 4 pages, one is about us, contact us, and courses. Go to home page. Now you can see preview. On top side you can see after inserting the pages, the buttons or navigations activated, like home, then about us, okay, then contact us, then courses. So something like this, that you can see here only. Okay, so now what I will do is I wanted to insert this all 3 main pages in the bottom. So this is my agenda of this footnote. So what I will try to do is I'll try to be in the come out from this preview mode, go to the bottom, and here you try to insert add footer. So in this add footer, so go for 3 content blocks. Okay, then if you want a logo, then you click and upload that logo. Then place this under uncrop area. Okay, then here I don't want this image block. So what I will do, I will try to delete this. Here also I don't want content block, just you click up this outline of the selection and gets deleted. Then what I will try to do is I'll be copying this text. Okay, so delete again, place the content, select entire text block, and reduce the line space. Delete this, make this bold, and if you want to be apply, add it. Okay, and repeat the same steps again for contact us. Okay, that you can see here only. So take this contact us, so open notepad, and or else directly you type it off as you like. Then what text you have, you take. For example, I'll be taking the same address. In real time you take your own business address. Then next line you have Monday to Saturday, something like this. You have to give. Then what I will do, just I'll be copying this, I'll be making this duplicate. So go to the duplicate portions and paste it. Next contact number, again make this duplicate, paste it, and check the font and change the font color. make this bold. Then you have one more email ID. Then it is in the right hand side, services. So directly you type services, what services you have. So that you type like laptop service, then make duplicate, desktop service, again make duplicate, then you have CCTV service, etc. Bold, again make this bold. Okay. Then if you want to come out from this, uh, what you do is, right now you are in footer. Okay, just click in this box on top. Okay, this will get activated. Now you check for about us. In the about us, automatically you have a footer. Okay, then check out in the contact us. You need not to type uh, footer for every page. Okay, only one time has to be done. Okay, for courses also same thing. Okay, sir, now I want to have a header. Okay, so header for all the pages. So what I have to do is, I have to add a header. Look at this. And inside the page means image. So take any one of this image. It is only for example purpose. Okay, if you don't like, you delete this. Means upload some other alternative. uh, Go to Google and you type about us and select the image category. So right click and save this. Resources, I have this as a about us. Save now. So this has been saved. Now I'll be replacing this about us. Okay, so there will be automatically you have some text. You delete this. If you don't want some default text, then you try to download some page, something like this. Take any one of this image portion. On text you can use it. For me, I will be using some text. Look at this. Okay, make this bold and get active. So for contact us, again take a header portions. Okay, then try to download another image for contact us. Image, save. upload this image, then make this bold. Now this time I'm going to take a courses. Okay, if you want to bring that, then again add this, take attractive image for the computer courses, training courses, so on so on. Save this, create a new folder, courses. But right now this time it is getting under .avif extension. Avif extension does not support for us. So what I will do, I'll be taking this one. Save image as APG, courses, save. Then go to main page, upload, courses, connected. And again, take this. So now you check the preview now. This is the home page. This is the footer, about us. So you have header and footer. In between, you have to add the contents. Then for contact us also same thing. Then courses also same thing. Okay, this is okay. So now I want to have a lead generation form. So go to contact area. Okay, then go to the insert, and there is an option called as forms, Google Forms. Click forms, and the forms what you created, so that you can take. So just for your understanding purpose, whatever I created, a Google form for lead generation, I'm taking that and adding into this contact us page, and just click and drag towards in the right hand side, make this to the make this to be in the center alignment. Okay, and delete whichever you don't want. So this training session I don't want. Now this contact form is available, and apply the text what you like. Okay, now I'll be checking for the preview mode that you can see here. Okay, once people submitted, that comes to my Google Sheet, and this is the footer, there's a contact details, logo you have. Okay, so similarly you can add whichever you like. Okay, and repeat the same steps how I have done for about us, sorry, home page and contact us. So what you do is, for about us, look at this, you have some content block. Okay, what I will do for about us, take a text block, place this, next you have some text, then you have left hand side image and right hand side text. So it is this, the content block is suitable. So place the same image now, right click, about us, copy, as paste it, Go to your image holder. This about this. So now you uncrop this. Next, in this block, text blocks, do copy and delete this main heading portions, paste it. So now interesting is I have to reduce this line space. I'll be taking 1.15. Let it do. Okay. Now again you check in the preview mode, home page, then about us, then contact us, then courses you take and you design. For your references, I'll try to give you. Go to NICT Computer Education.com. Go to courses. So what you do is just right click, take the images from this main sources. So save this as image. So create a new folder, courses, what course it is, NICT course, mm, data science, then right click, save image as, then again right click, save image as. If that not cropped properly, let's see how it is getting affected. Okay, these are the different types of views. Close this. Go to the main portions here. Take again the three content blocks, add the courses, uncrop, again second one, uncrop, and look at this and see to that exactly that space just seems to be like cropping. Okay, then so now you can see that uniformity here, and in this NICT courses, is that I forgot. Okay, copy this text, something like master in data science 14, bold it, and repeat the second one. What name it as? Diploma in office manage essentials. The font size 14 I have. Okay, try to increase that. And it as office essential is enough. Then next you have ACE code programming. Then we have a text here. Okay, so it seems to be like button. So you have duration, then some block of text. So here you name it as duration. Take 6 months. So duration 6 months, and duration 6 months. Now I want to insert a button. So what you do, click the button here. Okay, so create one more page. So as of now, I'm going to take in the link portions into the home page itself. Okay, so here I'll go for read more. So click insert. Okay, then just click and drag and repeat the same thing, the same button. But in this case, I'm going to repeat the same copy of this instance. So just click and drag, make duplicate, click and drag. Okay, then you check the preview now, that you can see in the uh, area. Okay, so here you have so many courses, repeat the same steps. Okay, so what I will try to do is I'll be making duplicate. Okay, but you don't try to make duplicate, just for your understanding purpose, to have a display of this website, the courses in the index format. uh, I'm trying to demonstrate, but in real time, when you try to do this and follow the same method, try to download these images and add some information what NICT has given here, and check the preview now. The courses page what you have, everything is similar like professional one. Okay, now if everything is that okay, then what I have to do, I have to publish now. When you click the publish button, and you can give any name. So this is your URL. Okay, you can see what exactly the URL means, where exactly you can work. Okay, so here demo. So demo is already they have taken. So it's saying that I'll be taking MCC. So MCC underscore. It's not there. For view purpose, NICT. Okay, NICT also there. Modi every day. Yeah, Modi computer, computers, education, uh, educations. So this is available. Once if you publish, so right now other people can able to see my website. So go to publish settings, then do copy of this entire URL, including Modi Computer Educations. Close this, open your main URL, paste it, and have a look once. Header, footer, about us, contact us, courses. Okay, when you connected with the domain name, so in place of sites.google.com, your name is going to active, like NICT Computer Education. So something like that, the real time name which is start working on this area. So I have shared my URL. Just visit in the WhatsApp group. Open everyone try to open the link and check out. Will you able to see the same website what I have designed now, and reply in the same group itself. Is that working? You type as yes. So today is Friday. Saturday you have time. Sunday you have time. So before I start up for Monday's class, so everyone must share your links. How I have done. Getting reply from Sam. Yes, sir, it's working. Nice. What about others? So Krishnan says that is okay. So is that looking like a professional one or not? Kritika says yes. Will you complete that whole website within Monday, or is it required any much time space for you to complete this assignment? So see to that. I would means exactly you try to finish within Monday itself. Don't make delay. So other technical part I will discuss in the Monday's class. So for practicing purpose, use the same example what I have done. So once that hands-on gets comfortable, then you go for next whichever you like whichever product based or service based, you can think on your own way. But what I would suggest you is take the same example, take the same image, take the same URL. Okay, then you try to work on this, and in the next class you try to remember me that how we can connect from one page to another page, interlink. So how that can be done, and that also I will show you. So it's a hyperlink concepts. So what happens when you start on your own way, the images or logos or the contents, preparing the content itself, it takes time. Okay, so you will not get that idea how you can deploy the sites. So ask me if you have any doubts in the implementation of this website. The URL is sites.google.com. For forms.google.com. So before you create a sites.google.com, you create a forms which is help us to place in the contact page and ask for the lead generations or any queries to interact with the customers or inquiries. You can take any name. The last portions like sites.google.com/view, afterwards whatever name you are taking, it's only for preview purpose or learning purpose. So see to that the namespace is available. If you want in the real time name, then you go to GoDaddy and check the name is available, then you connect in this Google site, then start working like a real time website. So what we have done, it is almost 90% is same. only 10% is connecting that to the domain. Okay, so see you in the Monday's class. Enjoy your weekdays and parallelly practice that assignments. So see you all. Bye.